1,000. Round 3. Stupid part. Out of bullets for this sniper. I had a sniper rifle. Time out, guys. Rocket launcher. Let me eat.
Slippery humans.
And what? That was 2 times. Reticle sucks. Slide it down, huh? Hey, dog. Want to do something this bad this time? Damage from. Over here, you stupid butt. Yeah, go ahead.
I think I will go then. Alright,
Good.
there's 3. Either one restores at answer, it'll be over like at like be over like at well at like 12:45 or 1:15 or something. Especially 2 hours and a half. That means he'll be over at 15. Because next greed doesn't come on until 1:25, and it won't come on until like 1:40. So can we do that then? Can we see Star Wars in that tree?
We have the time, sure.
And it'll be over at 3:40, and then we'll be able to. Order me. Wait though. My mom said that she's giving us a movie tomorrow.
I already have.
What?
I have a deal. Shoot me.
Oh, wait, are you going to use that then?
Yes.
When you order?
I'm gonna treat you guys to the movie. Got me all the time. It's dead. 15 miles away. I have a turret now. So many of them. Right, just stand there, buddy. Get all this stuff. Rocket launcher dude shooting at me. I can see him, right? Oh. That's interesting. Brotherhood has come over to save me. Or likely not, I'm the target of the missile launcher dudes. What if Steel comes to my rescue once more? Cola, and we'll take the off of it, and we'll take the and we'll take this butter. Why not? Oven in the oven itself. There's corn, which doesn't look like corn at all. From outside. Okay. Right, there's no fighting, huh? Oh, I think we've, didn't mean to take the four ball. Probably the ball number one there. Oh no. Oh, I need help. Help.
Hey.
Okay. Talking to me.
I'm not saying anyone is a citizen. I'm not saying this. And of course, the mayor. I have a statement from the mayor's
We're gonna walk around and get all the stuff.
Something about, I guess, Ray Smith is right behind you, baby. I mean, it's
Ripper. Okay. Does that do nothing? Explosive, powerful sniper rifle. Oh, look at that. I like that. It's a better than my normal sniper rifle. Definitely like that. Thank you, sir. Sniper rifle is better than my normal sniper rifle. Sips. Right? Oh, well. It's better than that one. Oh, free stuff. Oh, I love free stuff. Oh, it's not worth it. I gotta say that this place is probably built. I can probably base, right? Chef hat? Why not? He's Chef Vulpes or whatever I called it here. Master lock, you say? Well, I am Jill, so I am a master of unlocking. Hold up. Alright. Okay. Can it not be unlocked? There we go.
Nice.
Oh, in the end, it was really kind of worth. Transport. Always nice to see skeletons around. It's actually walls are horrifying. Everything off of these guys. I'm glad the raiders and the super people murdered each other. Really. Once I like murdered the system. They have super mongrel meat. Mongrel meat's much better. Don't need an extinguisher. Find those dudes I've evaporated.
That's it.
What's this? Oh, it's a shot. The Brotherhood of Steel came over and took most of the impact of that battle. They really didn't. I killed most of them myself. Oh. Oh man, it's they took one dude who kept murdering me. I hammer's attention away from myself, so murder him. I did. Although, sunglasses on dog. Dog? There's sunglasses?
Hey,
The super dog. Sunglass wearing dog, huh? Hat. Never give the military cap away, and we'll give him the sun. Like, kind of hoping he would be able to wear it. We'll get that little bit of help lost to get back. He dust. Thank you for your contribution to my effort. It looks like we got most of the stuff that's in here. Anything else we can just pack and sell. Probably a super mutant abyss with dust. Been here to see the backseat drive me here, backseat game. Got an entire super mutant. Abe. Not as well as it goes over every time I play this. Post on the point of them. Yeah.